Hello guys, my name is Vlad and today we will test it two kitchen sink faucets. And what we have MOEN and we have Delta. And let's see, like for all point, what I do, we will give maximum 10 points or minimum 1 point. Let's see how many points each faucet have, which one is better. I did test for high water pressure and I will show you how it's been before. Okay, and first faucet what we're talking, it's MOEN. And they have tiny in this nut, and you have to use this range to tiny in this faucet, and it's really hard to do because you don't have enough room to tiny in faucet, and you have used special screwdriver to put here and tiny in, and you cannot do that because it's not enough room between wall and kitchen sink. And for that I will give 0.8 because many faucets is loose, and problem this faucet because they start losing after like months 2 or 3. Okay, Delta they have another system, and you tiny in, and after that you use screwdriver and screwing in and tying really good, and it's really easy to install, it's really easy to tie, and they working very well. For that Delta faucet I will give 0.10. Okay, next, sprayer connection. This MOEN, they have sprayer like this, and when I did like 1000 psi pressure to that faucet, they working well and don't have any leaks over here, and it's good. I will give 10 points. For Delta faucet, they have another connection. What you do, you just put it in, and this plastic thing just put on top, and they hold together. And when I put 1000 psi, they completely disconnected, and water starts running from here. And I think if something happened and something happened with this small plastic and you turn on faucet, all water will go in under kitchen sink. And for that issues, I will give that faucet 7 points. 7 points. Okay, next, MOEN. And we talk about weight. I'm very like this weight because it's easy to disconnect, and you can connect wherever you want. Just click it, and it's good. When you're going up, they're going down, up and down. It's very well. For weight, I will give MOEN 10 points. It's pretty good, easy to install and working as well. Delta, weight, they don't have any fixing, and they working by self. And when you pull it and put it back, if something there, they stuck it. You see? Just you have to push back. And if they stuck somewhere and you push it, it doesn't go. Just one point, they have magnets over here, and it's click it and it's hold it. It's good. But weight doesn't working as well. For weight, I will give 9 points. It's not important. It's just using, just about using. Okay, supply lines. Yeah, I really like that supply lines. I put pressure up to 1000 psi, and they hold pretty good. Which is your house, you don't have like 75. If you have broken pressure regulator, you have just 100 psi pressure, 110 psi pressure, and they keep up to 1000 psi. It's very good, no problem, no issues. I will give 10 for these supply lines, MOEN supply lines. Okay, and Delta supply lines. It's keep pressure same pretty good, but they hard. You cannot move it, and when you install, they always on your way somewhere, and I don't like it. It's take time, and under kitchen sink always mess. You have so many pipes for washer and dryer, for drain, for everything, and these hard supply lines, it's not good idea to use it for kitchen faucet. When I'm installed, I had this supply lines, and for that point I will give 9 because it's just really hard to install. Okay, next important is cartridge. When I turn on hydrogen it and put pressure up to 1000 psi and faucet be on, water starts leaking from cartridge, from faucet, and from cartridge. It's mean cartridge sealing is not good there because they start leaking. And when I turn off faucet, it's same, still leaking. Still water still running from here and running from everywhere, and it's not good. For that I will give 8.8, but they doesn't go in on the bottom, doesn't go inside the kitchen cabinet, and it's good. 8. And right now it's still working like before. I'm feeling like new one. I don't know what condition inside that doesn't open yet. And Delta, when I'm turn on water running just from sprayer, nothing happen else, no problem, no issues, working is good. And I'm surprised, wow, it doesn't leak in here. But when I turn off faucet and turn on pressure back up to 1000 psi, which normal 75 for kitchen faucet, they start running from here inside the cabinet. It means something broken inside the faucet. Faucet broken inside, and water starts running inside the kitchen cabinet and start coming up over here and spray everywhere and start spraying from the cartridge. It's running horrible everywhere. And right now cartridge is broken. They turn it, but they doesn't working well. I'm pretty sure if you install it, they never working correct after that. And for that point, I give MOEN cartridge 6 points. And next important, it's time. How long time take me to install this both faucet? For Delta, it's take me 3.5 minutes, and MOEN it's take me 4.5 minutes, a little bit more, because I have take basin range and timing pretty good. And for that point, for Delta, I will give 10 to installation, how easy to install, and MOEN I give you 9. But it's still both pretty good faucets. Both faucets I disconnected and take off cartridges for both faucet and MOEN. What we have here, it just some washes is broken, but cartridge looks good and working pretty well. I don't have any question for that. And Delta, it's same, washes is broken and cartridge is broken and doesn't working. It's trash right now. And here, when cartridge is broken, it's water start leaking, and washer is problem, water starts leaking on the bottom and inside kitchen cabinet, and it's worse. And total what we have for Delta faucet, we have 51 points, just 51 points. It's pretty good faucet, but problem if it starts leaking, it starts leaking inside the kitchen. And MOEN winner, 51 point, because really easy supply line, just one minus what they have, it's connection to install kitchen. And when they start leaking, it's leaking just over here on the cartridge. They doesn't leaking inside the kitchen cabinets, and it's pretty good. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and see you on next video.